everybody, and today we're at Stotfold Mill, and I'm eating my lolly right at this beautiful lake. Welcome to Cutercorn Nature Reserve. This is the local lake house, and also follow me. Round in circles. These are lovely olive trees, and it says right here. Here are some lovely ponds, and look how many little things. I forgot what they're called. Lily pads. Oh yeah, lily pads. And also there are some pond skaters, but you can't really see them. That's one. This is a bird watch. Come with me, guys. Wow, you can see lots of stuff. And look, see those little brown things? Some people try to eat them, but then they're full of seeds because they think they're hot dogs. Over there, over there. This is our wild boardwalk. And run. And by the way, that's my brother. Yeah, oh yeah, follow me. This is a bit where you can see pond skaters. Look how many! We've just been in a big circle. Yeah. And here is the pond. Here are some hornbees. And this, if you're wondering what they are, they're these trees. Bye. Here are some lime trees. and these are them. So these are Hawthorn. And this tree is a hawthorn. Oh yeah. So this is the final one. These are ash trees right there. And I hope you enjoyed this advert, and you can see it on my channel, Cutercorn. Bye!